I wanted to come on today and show you guys how to use lemon to detoxify your home and your life. So I use lemon in place of anything that I need to clean with. It's nature's antibacterial, really. It's an antibacterial agent, so it's great to replace common household items that contain toxins like hand soap, dish soap, cleaners, things like that. So I want to show you guys how I've found how to use lemons to detoxify. All right, so the first and easiest trick that I learned is water is the world's best cleaner. You really don't need any of those harsh chemicals. Truly, water will dissolve just about anything. But what I found helpful is to squeeze half of a lemon into, take an old recycled Windex bottle and just squeeze half of your lemon into the bottle. Careful, it squirts. And once you've got all the lemon juice in there, just fill half the bottle with water, replace your cap, and it's that easy. It works as a glass cleaner, it works as a countertop cleaner, it works as a surface cleaner, it works as a multi-surface cleaner, and it's free. It's free. And you get to save plastic. You don't have to buy a new bottle every time you need cleaner, you just get to buy lemons. And so it's all natural and I just love it so much. Be sure to keep this in the fridge though, because if you're gonna, use it again and again, it'll start to get rancid if you just leave it under the sink like a regular cleaner. So keep it in the fridge until you're ready to use it again and then discard it after like a week or so. All right, y'all, next up is washing your hands. So I take lemon rinds and I use them in the bathroom as like a bar of soap. So you just turn on the water, get your hands nice and lemony. I kind of like squeeze this and kind of get some of the pulp on my hands. And then just wash your hands like normal. Voila, good as clean and no chemicals or artificial cleaners. All right, y'all, last up, dish soap. If you want to get rid of plastic containers and quit buying dish soap every time you run out, just use lemons, because the lemon rind itself is like one of those sponges that has soap in it. You just use the lemon rind, get your dishes all lemony, or what I like to call soapy, and rinse. It's that easy, and it cuts just like soap. Gets all the food particles off because it has this rind, this porousy, kind of like a scrubby, like a scrubber. And so you just, again, use the lemon rind, get in there, and wash your dishes. Again, this is no chemicals, no added harsh chemicals. You can even bring in an actual scrubber if you don't feel like the lemon rind itself is doing a good job. So just use the lemon particles itself as the soap and then bring in that scrubber on top. And you can keep your dishes chemical free, dishwasher free, dishwashing detergent free, and all natural holistically clean.